Hey there, PSSAers. My name is Mr. Collins, and I am going to help you through a lesson using the calculator that you will be given on the PSSA exams. For those of you that don't know me, I am the algebra teacher here at Achievement House, so there might not be many of you that know me yet, but I am experienced in the calculator, and we're going to take it through this lesson. So, first things first, order of operations. Anytime we are given a problem with an expression that we need to simplify, we need to follow the order of operations. And we want to be sure that when we're plugging that into the calculator, we plug it in directly. All right, and another important tip is if a fraction is given in the expression, it is safe to add parentheses around the numerator and denominator. So here we would have an example below, 3 squared plus 7 divided by 4 times negative 3. You would want to put parentheses around the numerator and denominator, and you're going to type it in, other than that, just how it shows. So what I would do is, on the calculator, I would type 3, parentheses, right? We can't forget to open parentheses, 3, caret symbol, which if we look at our calculator, the caret symbol is right here. Two plus 7, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 4 times negative 3. Now with the calculators you're going to get for the exam, you're lucky that it doesn't matter whether we use the negative button or the minus button. It is good habit though, in case you have a different calculator, that when you have a negative as opposed to a minus sign, that you would hit this button here. It's the negative in parentheses instead of hitting the minus sign. However, on the PSSA exam, if you are using this specific calculator, even if you forget, you'll be okay. So once we plug this into the calculator, we should see that it does 3 squared first, and then adds the 7, then divides the 4. So that would give us 4 times negative 3. You would see that our answer is negative 12. The next thing I would like to talk about is fractions and mixed numbers. All right, so we are going to use this button here. I'm going to circle it in yellow. It's ABC button. So you see the ABC button, it's on the left-hand side of this calculator, 2 down. This is what we are going to use to enter fractions. It also allows us to enter mixed numbers, convert fractions to decimals, and convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. All very, very useful. So if you were going to plug in a fraction, what you would type is 3, then you would hit the ABC button, and then 4, and then you would hit the enter button, and you will see that you get 3/4. Now when you type it in, what you're going to see on the calculator as you're typing it, the ABC puts a little like backwards L in place. So it's letting you know that you're typing in a fraction, so it will look like this as you're typing it in. If you want to type in a mixed number, you would follow the same process. So let me erase that. Again, we're looking at this button here circled in the yellow. And you would want to type in, if you were given the mixed number 1 and 2/5, you would type in 1 ABC, 2 ABC again, and then 5, enter. So anytime you're typing in a fraction between every number, whether it's a mixed fraction, an improper fraction, or a regular fraction, you want to put ABC in between each number. You hit enter, you'll see it'll pop up like this. And again, in the calculator, that'll look something like this as you're entering it. All right, so that's mixed numbers. If we want to convert a fraction to a decimal, let's do a mixed number again, just so we can see it. So we'll do 2 3/7. Again, you want to put the ABC in between every number. So 2, ABC button, 3, ABC button, 7, enter. You should see 2 3/7 on your screen now. Then you are going to hit just ABC again. Enter. And then you will see the decimal equivalent. And I'll see if I can put it up here. Hopefully you can see it in the picture. So let's do 2, ABC 3, ABC 7. Hopefully you can see that. See how it's entered? I'm going to hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll see that it comes up like this. To get it in the proper way, you would hit it'll show up, that's 2 3/7. If you hit ABC again, you get the decimal, which is 2.48. Lastly, when you're converting a mixed number to an improper fraction, all right, you're still going to use this ABC button, but when you get to the last step, you're going to hit Shift ABC first. So let's take a look at it written out. Let me use a better color. We have 3 1/3. We would type that in 3 ABC, 1 ABC, 3 ABC, enter. You'll see that we have our 3 1 3. So let me show you again. 3 ABC, 1 ABC, 3, enter. That's what it looks like on the calculator. And I just dropped it. Slippery hands. Then if I wanted to convert it to a decimal, I would just hit the ABC button again. But if I wanted to convert that to an improper fraction, I would hit Shift ABC. And by hitting Shift ABC, you will see it pops up as 10 thirds, like that. Again, that backwards L is showing you the separation between fractions. So that is your fraction bar.